Are you looking to remove duplicate calendars in Outlook? We've got you covered. But before we begin, let's take a look at why it's important to delete Outlook duplicate calendar events. Duplicate events can cause double bookings or missed appointments. Multiple entries make your calendar messy and harder to manage. It takes more time to find the right event when duplicates exist. Shared calendar duplicates can confuse teams and interrupt productivity. We'll show you 2 easy ways to remove duplicate calendar items in Outlook. Let's start with the manual method to delete duplicate calendar entries. Outlook. Open Outlook, go to the Calendar tab, click the View tab, then change View, and select List option. Sort by subject, hold Ctrl, and select duplicate entries. Press Delete to remove them. But wait, this method has some drawbacks. Manually selecting duplicates is slow, especially for bulk calendars. There's a chance of deleting important entries by accident. You must have Outlook installed to perform the cleanup. Outlook doesn't highlight duplicates, users must identify them manually. Now let's check the Pro method to remove duplicate calendar items in Outlook. That's where the BitRecover Outlook Duplicates Remover wizard comes in. Just visit the official BitRecover website and download our Outlook Calendar Cleanup tool. Launch the software, and click Next to begin. Add Outlook data using auto or manual mode. Select the calendar folder. Select Remove Duplicates, within or across folders. Pick a destination path. Apply filters if needed. Click Extract to start the process. Let's look at the advantages of using the Outlook Duplicates Remover. Automatically scans and removes duplicates in seconds. Minimizes errors compared to manual deletion. Works with Outlook data files, even without Outlook installed. Delete duplicates based on specific criteria like date, subject, etc. And that's all for this video. Visit the given product link today to download the product. For any queries, email us at support@bitrecover.com.